10 Mind-blowing health benefits of garlic. Garlic is a popular ingredient used worldwide both for its culinary and therapeutic properties. Scientifically, it is known as Allium sativum. Originating from Central Asia, garlic has been utilized for centuries not only to add flavor to dishes but also to treat various health conditions. Renowned for its potential health benefits, garlic is rich in sulfur compounds such as allicin, which are primarily responsible for its healing properties. This video presents 10 health benefits of garlic and how you can effectively apply it to your daily life for maximum health benefits. Garlic plays a central role in boosting the immune system. It enhances the immune system's function, making it more efficient in fighting off pathogens. Regular intake of garlic can potentially reduce the frequency and severity of common ailments like the flu, common cold, and asthma. To get this benefit, consume 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves daily. You can crush the cloves, mix them with a spoonful of honey, and eat them on an empty stomach. For those who find the taste of raw garlic too strong, garlic supplements in capsule or tablet form are a convenient alternative. Consult with a healthcare provider for the appropriate dosage. You can also drink it as garlic tea. Boil water, add crushed garlic cloves, let it steep for a few minutes, and drink it like tea. Garlic also reduces blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension is a primary risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Garlic has been found to significantly lower blood pressure due to its sulfur compounds which promote the dilation of blood vessels. Follow these steps to apply it. Incorporate 3 to 4 cloves of garlic into your daily meals. This can be achieved by adding it to soups, stews, and salad dressings. Take standardized garlic powder or aged garlic extracts, which are available in health food stores. Follow the dosage instructions provided on the product or by a healthcare professional. Lowering cholesterol levels. Garlic can help lower total and LDL cholesterol levels. High LDL cholesterol is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. You can use both dietary addition and supplements for these benefits. As a dietary addition, use garlic as a seasoning agent in your cooking. Roasting garlic can help reduce its pungency while retaining its health benefits. As a supplements, garlic oil and aged garlic extracts are available as supplements. Daily supplementation under medical guidance can help manage cholesterol levels. Garlic contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for protecting the body against oxidative damage that can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and other degenerative conditions. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, enhancing the body's defenses against oxidative stress. Eating raw garlic ensures you get the maximum antioxidant benefits. Crushing or chopping garlic activates allicin, which has potent antioxidant properties. You can also add crushed garlic to dips, spreads, or salad dressings to incorporate it into meals without cooking it extensively. Garlic have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases including certain cancers, heart disease, and arthritis. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body. For this particular benefit, use garlic generously in your cooking. Add it freshly crushed to dishes after cooking to preserve its anti-inflammatory compounds. As a topical application, garlic oil can be applied topically. Infuse garlic in olive oil and apply it to inflamed areas to relieve symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Hair and skin care. Garlic can also be used in homemade remedies for its purported benefits for hair growth and skin health. It can help address issues like acne and promote healthier skin. Create garlic-infused oils for hair and skin applications by simmering garlic cloves in carrier oils. As custom masks and scrubs, mix garlic juice with natural ingredients like honey, oatmeal, or yogurt for effective face and body scrubs. Improvement of bone health. Osteoporosis and osteoarthritis are common conditions affecting bone health, especially in older adults. Garlic has been shown to have a beneficial effect on estrogen levels in females, which promotes bone health. To gain this benefit, combine garlic with other bone-supportive foods such as dairy products, leafy greens, and nuts. This combined approach can help maintain strong bones. A traditional remedy involves boiling a few cloves of crushed garlic in milk. This concoction is believed to strengthen bones. Enhancement of athletic performance. Garlic has been historically used to enhance physical performance and reduce exercise-induced fatigue. It was given to ancient Greek athletes and laborers to boost endurance and strength. It can be used as pre-workout and energy booster. As a pre-workout, take garlic supplements or consume raw garlic with a carbohydrate-rich meal before exercise to enhance performance. And as energy booster, include garlic in energy-boosting smoothies or drinks. Blend garlic with vegetables like spinach and fruits for a nutritious performance booster. Improvement of digestive health. Garlic promotes the health of the digestive system by supporting the growth of healthy gut microbiota while suppressing harmful bacteria and yeast. Follow these steps to improve your digestive health. Add garlic to your daily diet in the form of soups, stews, and sauces to consistently benefit your digestive system. Create a tonic by mixing crushed garlic with apple cider vinegar and a bit of honey. Drink a small amount of this mixture daily. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic. Garlic's potent antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an effective natural antibiotic, useful in treating infections and supporting overall immune health. For minor infections, mix crushed garlic with coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. For internal use, swallow small pieces of raw garlic or mix crushed garlic with honey and take it internally to help fight infections. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your diet. Its multitude of health benefits spans from enhancing immune function to improving cardiovascular health and acting as a natural antibiotic. By incorporating garlic into your daily routine, whether through diet or supplements, you can harness these benefits to support overall health and well-being. Always seek professional medical advice before making significant changes to your health practices, especially if you have underlying health conditions.